I think there are two major problems with the way organizations are managed today. First, particularly in private corporations or the private sector corporations, they've no longer know what their real purpose is for why they exist, what their deeper purpose is. And the default purpose is simply to maximize long-term shareholder value or maximize profits. But that purpose does not really fully engage customers or employees, suppliers. It may be something that investors get excited about, but the rest of the stakeholders, it's not an aspirational goal. And I therefore think businesses sub-optimize their potential because they don't have a deeper purpose that creates higher synergies that would produce higher long-term shareholder value. Paradoxically, the best way to maximize long-term shareholder value is not to aim directly at it as your primary purpose. It's a byproduct of other things, such as having a deeper purpose, great customer service, dedication to quality products. All these other principles and goals are the best way. When they're pursued, then profits will result as a byproduct of the accomplishment of those other goals. The second flaw is that the business tends to be organized around what's best for the investors. And a much better way, a remedy for that, is the organization should be organized around a multiplicity of stakeholders, that they're all interdependent. So the organization should simultaneously be trying to create as much value as possible for the customers, the employees, suppliers, the community. They should be good citizens in their community. They should have environmental responsibility. That it's all connected together, and as well as the investors. So you try to manage the business to optimize the entire interdependent system instead of just one part of that system, which would be the investors. And if you have to think of it in terms of the harmony of interest that exists between those stakeholders instead of the conflict of interest, the trade-offs that most people tend to think. And once you can make that shift in the way you look at the organization, you have a complete remedy, a transformational remedy, which will help the organization to reach its fullest potential. So those are my two messages: deeper purpose, stakeholder management.